Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize shopping ads using Shopify plus Google Ads, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize shopping ads using Shopify and Google Ads, begin by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify App Store and search for the Google channel. Install the Google Channel app. Once installed, open the app from your Shopify dashboard. In the Google channel, click on the Start Setup button. Select the option to connect to your Google account. Sign in with the Google account you want to use for your shopping ads. Grant the necessary permissions that Shopify requests. After connecting, you'll need to choose your Google Merchant Center account. If you don't have a Merchant Center account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once your account is linked, set up your product feed. Choose the products you want to include in your shopping ads. Make sure your product details are complete, including titles, descriptions, and images. Next, navigate to your Google Ads account. Create a new campaign and select Sales as your goal. Choose Shopping as the campaign type. Select the linked Google Merchant Center account. Set your campaign settings, including budget and bidding strategy. Define your target audience based on demographics and location. Review your campaign details to ensure everything is accurate. Once satisfied, click on the Create Campaign button. Return to Shopify and go to the Google Channel settings. Review the diagnostics to ensure your product data is compliant with Google's policies. Make any necessary adjustments to fix issues highlighted in the diagnostics. After resolving any issues, your shopping ads will be eligible to start running. Monitor performance through your Google Ads and Shopify dashboards. Make adjustments to optimize your ads based on the data you gather. This concludes the authorization process for shopping ads using Shopify and Google Ads. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.